In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share WhatsApp links. By the end, you'll know how to share a join link for a group or community and how to generate a link for a WhatsApp call so people can hop in with a single tap. Start by opening WhatsApp, head to the group or community where you want to invite people. Open that chat so you're looking at your conversation. Now tap the name at the top of the screen. This opens the group or community information page where all the settings and members live. Here, look for the option labeled Invite via link. If you're working in a community, you may first need to enter community info and then choose Invite members. Once you're on the invite screen, you'll see a few ways to share the link. Copy link places the invite on your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere. Great for adding it to an email, a calendar event, or a document. Send link via WhatsApp lets you pick specific chats or contacts right inside the app, which is perfect when you already know exactly who should get it. Share link opens your device's share sheet so you can send it through other apps like SMS, Slack, or your company's messaging tool. Whichever method you choose, add a short note so recipients understand what the link is for and any guidelines for joining. And a quick reminder, anyone with this link can request to join, so share it only with people you trust or in spaces you control. Now let's create a WhatsApp call link. Navigate to the Calls tab at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Tap Create Call Link. You'll be asked to choose the call type, video or voice. Pick the one that fits your meeting. After that, you'll get the link right away. Tap Copy Link to place it on your clipboard, or Share Link to send it through WhatsApp or other apps. If you copied the link, paste it into a chat, email, or calendar invite so attendees have it handy at the right time. It's a good idea to include the call purpose and time zone in your message so no one is confused. That's it. You've shared a group or community invite link and created a call link in WhatsApp. Keep your audience in mind, label your links clearly, and share them thoughtfully to keep your spaces safe and organized. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.